How to open CCB account without visiting branch. In order to open a CCB or China Construction Bank account, just launch the China Construction Bank app, and this is usually the interface you will see. From the bottom right, tap on Activate Mobile Token that you can see from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on New User, Registration or Activation, tap on it. Tap on the first option that says account opening. It says open account through e-account service if you have not hold deposit account with our bank. So you can just tap on account opening tab, where you'll be granted a couple of forms that you can choose to fill. You can start a save application or you can start a new application over here. Then once done, you can choose the type of documents that you have. Then once you've done any type of document, these are all the things that you will need. Then tap on the apply now button. Then here agree to the terms and conditions, confirm the changes like this. And once you've done that, tap on the apply now button in this case to be able to go ahead and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then simply fill out the form, take a picture of your form, and once everything is completed, you'll be able to open your CCB account without even visiting the branch. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.